In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube voice search not working. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. I'll show you in a few steps. This is DaveTech. I'm going to go straight into it. So, step one, you're going to head over to YouTube. To fix this issue, you may find that your voice search on the remote is not working. Trying to search on YouTube. So open a profile where you have a YouTube logged in, and now go to the voice search. If you try to use that does not work, or you head over to settings. So go to the bottom of the left panel, click on settings, and scroll down until you find the option that says microphone permissions. So I have microphone access as my option right here. Click on it, and you can see on my screen it is turned off. So no matter what I do, no matter how many times I try, I will not be able to get my mic working on the remote control to access YouTube and do searches and things like that. So I need to click on this button to turn it on. If you do that step, it should work for you, and come back to the home screen. Check to make sure your voice search is working, or you click on this button here and you click on it and search with your voice. It should type out the text and search for what you've asked. Now, if that does not work for you, I need to go out of the YouTube application entirely. As you see me do, go down to settings. So click settings at the top right corner of the screen, click on all settings. And from all settings, I need to navigate until you find apps. So I have apps right here. Click on apps to get in, and you should say see all apps. You're looking for the YouTube application at this point, so scroll down the list until you find YouTube. So that's my YouTube application right there. I'm going to click on it to enter, and I'll be looking down to find permissions at the bottom of the list. So I've clicked on permissions, and I have the microphone option here. Currently, it's set to don't allow. No matter what I do, even if the first step is valid, right now I cannot access the microphone with YouTube. So if I try, it's going to fail, and the reason is because system permissions for microphone on the YouTube location are turned to don't allow. So click on that, and I want you to switch this to allow only while using the application. If you use ask every time, you'll be asked every time before it uses it. So if you want to use voice searches, click allow while using the app and click off. Now you have the permissions set. You could exit and try again on the YouTube application. So I'm navigating back to the YouTube application just to show you where to try. So click on the YouTube application and click on voice search right here. DaveTech. So you actually speak now, you can see something like DaveTech and you see typing on the screen. So that's how you use that method to solve the issue. Those search results are inaccurate, so I'm just going out. And if that method did not work for you, you're going to do this last thing. So head over to quick settings again and then navigate to all settings. From all settings, I want you to drop down to apps again. So just like we did last time, go to see all apps and then find YouTube. So you're going to navigate down to YouTube, and under YouTube, click on it. And now you're not looking for permissions, you're looking for cache. I want you to clear the cache data here. Just click on clear cache and click OK. Now clear the cache. You can try again if it works. If it does not work, the last thing you do is to come here and click on clear data for the user application. This will reset everything and ask you to log, and it will log you out of the application. So you need to log in again, do step 1 and step 2 again, and then definitely That's going to stop the issue and you have your voice search working. So basically that's it for this video. If you found value in this tutorial, I want you to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, join the channel for very valuable how-tos and tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.